Hi, I'm Sue Lamb, and I teach 7th Math and Advanced Studies on Team 7 Silver here at Summit Lakes. And my husband and I have lived in this area for the last 30 years or so, and all of our children went through Summit Lakes as well. We have 2 sons and a daughter that live near us, and our oldest son had our first grandchild this summer, and then 12 days later, our youngest daughter had another one. So we have 2 grandchildren that we are just enjoying giving all our love and attention to. And we have our middle son is still a bachelor, but he lives in the Lee Summit area as well, and we love getting together and doing family activities. There's also a picture of my mother there. She turned 92 this past summer and was very excited to meet her great-granddaughter. My husband and I like to fish and take walks around the lake and travel when we get a chance to. So, as I said, I teach 7th grade and Advanced Studies Math. This is my 15th year teaching. I taught 2 years at Raytown South Middle, and I've been teaching 7th grade at Summit Lakes ever since that. I believe all students can learn if they're not afraid to make mistakes. So I'm going to challenge your students to go beyond their comfort levels and try even when they think that they can't. I'm going to be there to help your children develop those comfort levels by building relationships and getting to know them. So I'll be teaching, as I said, 7th grade and Advanced Studies with the illustrative math resources by Kendall Hunt this year. If you click on the link that's provided here, it will take you to their website and show you the different units we'll be covering. We will start with scale drawings, as you can see. That will be our first one. So this is my syllabus for 7th Math and Advanced Studies. If you click one, I'm going to go to Advanced. This is the only thing that's different on the Advanced is what to expect. It's going to go a little bit faster. We want to get the students ready for algebra next year, so they're going to need to cover some 8th grade topics as well. And students should be able to take in a lot of new information and be ready to apply it with little outside help needed on that. Our grades are based, 80% of the grade is based on their tests and assessments, and 20% on practice. So students can contact me if they need homework help at my email address, which is provided here, and I will have Google Meet set up to meet with them and answer their questions as well. Okay, Schoology has videos of the lesson, and a key is going to be posted each day in case the student is absent or has trouble keeping up with the notes. Review guides when we have quizzes and tests are going to be posted in Schoology as well. We will do NWEA testing 3 times a year. We'll be starting very soon with our first round of that, and then we will test again in the winter and again next spring to look for growth. So resources, as a parent or a student, if you need extra help, you can go to Khan Academy, our SLMS Math resource page, or IXL, and I have the links provided there for you to do so. So tips for success: make sure that your students ask questions. If they're a little bit shy and they're struggling and you know they're not asking questions, then please contact me so that I can go ahead and contact your child. So it'll do them the most good if they can keep a positive attitude. We're going to learn from our mistakes. We will all make them. Help your students set up an organized workspace and a time to do their math each day. Contact me or use extra resources for help. I will have a Google Meet at Lamb Math Help from 8 to 8:30 and 2:30 to 3 each day. So I look forward to an exciting year and getting to know each of your students a little better.